Oh, it's so bright because it's so glary outside. Oh. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's a bit dark, but it is so glary outside. I'm like squinting. Today's video is going to be about the Bondi Sands 1 Hour Express. I'm actually going to do a fake tan trying this out. Not sure how I'm going to do the video yet, but I have to have a shower, exfoliate and all that. So what I'll do is I'll probably take the camera in the shower with me. So I'll just give you a quick run through of this and then we will jump in the shower together. Sussy. So this got released, I think it was last week. Anyway, I got it from Priceline and it claims 1 Hour Express Salon Quality Coconut Scent Quick Dry Formula. So this is the bottle here. I reckon it looks lovely. I've never tried a mousse, so this will be interesting. No, yes I have. No, that one's a mousse. So on the back it says, like, for your level of colour, 30 minutes is a light medium, 1 hour is dark, and 2 to 3 hours is at your darkest. I'm going to leave it on for just over an hour and see how dark I get. And yeah, so the only thing is, I'm sorry, this is not all Bondi Sands. I actually use a Latan mitt because I really like that. So let's jump in the shower and I'll go through everything. Here we go. So I'm just about to get undressed and get into the shower, and yep, that water looks really hot, and trust me, it was a mess in my bathroom after filming this. So just going to show off my legs, and I start off with washing my body, and then following that I use an exfoliant on my face, and at the moment I've been using this Moorish one. And then after that it's exfoliating my body. I've got this scrub in a jar that I got from Christmas, which is like ages ago, and I'm still using it. It's almost empty though, so I just grab a heap and I just scrub it, and I think it has coconut oil in it as well, which really moisturizes my skin while I'm doing this exfoliant. After the exfoliant I will be rinsing it off and drying myself. Okay, so I'm just applying it to the mitt. It's like, it looks really edible, but it actually isn't. And just doing my whole body, and I was quite shocked at how the coverage went on straight away. So just doing my arm, shoulders and back. And then of course lastly my legs. Actually I did these first, but I'm just applying a little bit more because I want brown legs. And I really liked how it applied on my legs. It was really nice and it just blended so well. And I'm just baking now for 1 hour. Okay everyone, so I've been baking for just over an hour. Definitely my legs are feeling it, like definitely feeling. I still look really white, but I'm not. I swear it's the lighting. I'm quite tanned. So my arms are looking pretty good. Yes. Overall so far I love it. I just love Bondi Sands. Anyway, I love their smell, love their formula. They give a really nice streak-free tan, and yeah. So I will check in with you with another half an hour and then I'll be washing it off. Sorry I didn't check in. I just decided to wash it off because it seemed no point. So here I am just washing it off, and yeah, it looks pretty yuck in the shower, but that's just the tan. I'm not actually dirty. Please don't think I'm a dirty person. Hello everyone, I am back and tanned. I am just in my towel because I'm going to pop my pajamas on after this because it is currently 20 to 5 in Perth and I want to get this video up for you, so I thought let's just do it in my towel. Alright, looks really good. I don't know if you saw it in the shower when I was washing, well you would have, but it just washed off so smoothly. I just look so brown. It looks, I'm sorry, I'm in the viewfinder. No, my computer. I hope it's coming off brown on the camera. Overall, I really like this product and I like how it's I only had it on for just over an hour and a half. So I didn't do the full 2-3 hours. I was like, let's give it a shot. And I'm quite happy with how it went. I suppose if you left it for 3 hours, you'd probably be a little bit darker, but I was quite brown already from my previous holiday, so I don't feel like I need to go too dark. But other than that, I really like the product. I don't have anything to fault because I use Bondi sands anyway. So without further ado, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed my little review, even though it wasn't much of a review. It's just showing you how it worked and if I liked it or not. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not. Leave a comment and like this video, and I will see you in my next video, which will probably be on Monday. Have a lovely weekend, because by the time you're watching this, it will be the weekend, and I'm sorry it's up late. But anyway, bye. Look at my naked body. Ah, I got a towel. Oh, look at the tippies. What?